Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Yusuf Shokri and I'm the lead product manager for Workspaces. In this video, we'll take a quick look at Shared Workspaces, a new way for teams to collaborate directly inside of Snowflake. Workspaces brought a modern development experience to Snowsight. And with Shared Workspaces, that experience now extends to teams, letting multiple users work together in the same space, share files, and build on each other's work, all within Snowflake's secure and governed environment. Let's start with what shared workspaces are. Previously, workspaces were private, great for individual development and experimentation. And for more technical users, they can connect to a Git repo for version control and collaboration through that remote repo. Shared workspaces take a different approach. They make it easy for multiple users or teams to work directly inside of Snowflake together, with no Git setup or external tools needed. They live inside a database and schema, just like any other Snowflake object, and are managed using the same role-based access controls that Snowflake already uses. This means collaboration and governance are built right in with no setup required. Now let's see it in action. Here in my Workspaces page, I can click the Workspaces menu and choose to create a new shared workspace using this new option. Here I get to choose what role should be the owner of this new shared workspace, give it a name, choose a database and schema where it will live, and choose which roles I want to share this with. Once I made those selections, I can click Create, and my new shared workspace is ready to go. Please note that you will need to have either Create Workspace or ownership privileges on this schema. If you don't have either, then ask your admin to set this up for you. Shared Workspaces also make it easy to bring work you've already done on your own into a team setting from any existing private workspace. I can share a file or a folder using either the copy or move options in the file menu or the share button in the action bar. I can choose to move it to a shared workspace, select a shared workspace to move to, and click Move. Once shared, I can copy its URL and send it to teammates so they can open that exact file instantly in the shared workspace. It's a simple way to take something you've developed privately and continue collaborating on it with others. Now let's look at how collaboration works in practice. I'll open an existing file and make a small change. You'll notice that there is now a blue dot next to the file name. That indicates it's currently a draft. This draft is visible to me. The change I just made is visible to me until I publish it. Before publishing, I can see what changes I made. This shows me exactly what's changed compared to the last published version. Once I'm ready, I can click Publish Changes, and that update now becomes visible to everyone in this workspace. Every time a file is published, a new version is recorded. From the publish history, I can review who made each change, when it was made, and even revert back to a previous version if needed. This provides an easy, lightweight way to track progress, maintain stability without using an external Git repo. Now let's see what happens when two people work on the same file at once. Here, there's a file I was editing. Another user, while I'm making my changes, published their own changes. When I try to publish my own version, I get a message letting me know there's a conflict. Someone else has already published a newer version. And I have a few options. I can overwrite their changes. I can compare versions and copy some of their changes into my draft, or I can discard my changes and keep their version. In this case, I'm going to click to compare versions, find the changes they made, and I will copy these changes into my own versions, effectively merging both sets of changes. This ensures everyone stays in sync, even when editing at the same time. Now I can go ahead and publish the changes. I can overwrite the file, and I can see in the publish history both versions. So I can always revert back to an older published version. So no data is ever lost. With Shared Workspace, managing collaboration is simple. I can open the Configure Workspace page, and I can see all the roles that have this workspace shared with them. I can remove roles that no longer needs to have access, or I can add new roles to share this workspace with. For administrators, Shared Workspaces integrate seamlessly into Snowflake's governance model. Admins can query for all shared workspaces in the account. You can see ownership and role assignment, and you can grant or revoke privileges exactly as they do for databases, schemas, and any other object. With Shared Workspaces, Snowflake makes team collaboration simple, secure, and fully governed, all inside of Snowsight. To learn more, check out the documentation and the launch blog post linked below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy building together with Shared Workspaces.